Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Will. This is the Wibby YouTube channel if you're new. Before we get into the video, if you guys can do me a massive favor, scroll down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to you guys to subscribe, and what it really does is helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, but it also helps you out by letting you know whenever I post some new content out there. So do that real quick, scroll down below, hit that subscribe button, and we can get on with the video. Obviously, by the title of this video, we're going to be working on the Ram TRX today, and we're going to be installing some carbon fiber hood vents on the Ram TRX. This is something I've wanted to do for a really long time, and I had my eye on a much more expensive alternative to what I'm going to be installing today. So if you don't know what I'm referring to, I'm talking about these two pieces up here on the Ram TRX. They are a unpainted, unfinished piece, the same as like this piece right here. And we're gonna be installing a carbon fiber skin today. So I have it right over here in this box. And let's go ahead and pull them out so you can have a good look. These came like all wrapped and packaged really nice, so don't think they were just shipped like this, but I pre-opened them and inspected them when they came. So here you can see full carbon fiber, and this is actually real carbon fiber. It's not like it's hydro dipped or anything. Even if you turn it on over to the side, you can actually see the whole carbon weave right up there that hasn't been cleared or buffed or anything. Just the raw weave. So as you can see up here, this really is a 2x2 weave of carbon fiber. And like I mentioned, this is a skin. And as you can see from the back, it's just gonna be held on with some adhesive tape. I've been wanting to do this modification for a while, but the only choice for quite some time was the Anderson composite hood vents, which are a full replacement. And I believe those are like $1,500 or $1,700 for these two pieces, whereas this is only $500 for you know, both of these pieces. Granted, the other ones are full replacements where these are skin, but again, it's 1/3 the price and you're still getting real carbon fiber. And let's go ahead, I can just give you a quick visual. You can kind of see it out in natural light as well. You can see it a little bit better. Hopefully you can see it on video. This is legit real carbon fiber. So as you can see, it's a direct drop-in replacement. It's just gonna sit on there, and as you can also see, that cutout right there still allows you to keep your your factory badge still in location. So as you can see there, the fitment is like 100% spot on. So for the price, it's not even like, you know, you're getting like a cheap piece or anything. It's pretty good quality. So let's go ahead, prep the surface of these. I always like to wipe them down with some alcohol, and then we'll go ahead and start removing all the tape and getting these hood vents fitted. So I went ahead and prepped everything over here, like I mentioned earlier. Sprayed the actual pieces down with some alcohol just to clean them up real nice. Went ahead and removed all of this double-sided tape. I went ahead and added some of the high strength double-sided tape as well, just in a few other areas, just to make sure this really stays on there tight. But now we just got to go ahead, line this up into position and install it. All right, so we got one side installed over here. Give you guys a quick look at it. Fits great, as you can see. Seamless. All lines up perfectly flush right there. No gaps, no lifting. I do think it's definitely worth throwing some better quality adhesive on there. I would definitely do it, but just a quick comparison there, as you can see. You know, fit just like the factory one. So Gonna go ahead and install it on this side now. I am running out of daylight, so it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but I will go ahead and take some videos tomorrow in the sun and you can see the whole finished product. And just as we're about to run out of daylight, we did go ahead and get the other side installed. Hardest part honestly is just peeling off all that double-sided tape, but as you can see, it installs and fits really nicely. Look at that, that's like near perfect there. And as you can see, all the way across, no gaps, nothing like that. Looks great. And like I mentioned earlier, I am gonna get you some daytime shots. Just, you know, it's 8 o'clock right now, so it's not the best lighting, but yeah guys, it looks great. Super happy with it. And actually, I have a piece of faux carbon fiber that I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here so you could actually see the difference between the two in case you're a little bit skeptical of this. So this piece I have right here is actually a imitation carbon fiber piece. This was a leftover piece from my Bronco interior when I went ahead and switched all that out. But as you can see, if you get real close to it, it's just kind of like a printed fake weave. It looks good, don't get me wrong, but when you see it, you know, compare real to fake. Let me see if I can get a good picture here. You know, hopefully you can see. In real life, you could definitely tell the difference there. So, like I mentioned, carbon fiber skins for your 2021 and up Ram TRX. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Pretty quick little install video here. This is not gonna be the last carbon fiber piece that I'm installing on my Ram TRX. If you see that cabinet right there, that cabinet is actually filled with all carbon fiber parts that I've been collecting for the past few months. So full interior, exterior, some custom one-off pieces. Yeah, so stay tuned for those videos if you're a big carbon fiber fan. I'm gonna have product links for all of this down in the description below. This is a eBay seller, so when you message her, tell her that Will Wimya sent you and she will take care of you guys. So yeah, that's gonna do it, guys, for this one. As always, like, subscribe, comment down below. That stuff's always appreciated. I look like a mess right now. I'm really sweaty. I need to go take a shower. But as always, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos, supporting, all of that. And yeah, I guess that's gonna do it, guys. See ya.